कितने खूबसूरत है तुम्हारे बाल। इन्हें इतने सुंदर कैसे बनाए रखती हो? ये तो माँ का 30 साल से भी पुराना राज है। डाबर आंवला केश तेल।
Dabur started way back in 1884. Our legacy is Ayurveda. This is a almost 5,000-year-old tradition. Indians are very traditional people still. Even the youth wants tradition, but in a very palatable and a modern format. We wanted to make Dabur a young, vibrant and a socially conscious organization. The woman today is outgoing. She is cash rich but very time poor. Though she wants the same beauty regimen, the same kind of tradition, but she doesn't have time. So we wanted to give her the solution in a format which fits in very well in today's life. And therefore we need to be a face which they can connect to.
When we spoke to Dabur, we felt that the core need is to embrace modernity across the Dabur set of brands, and digital is as modern as it can get. So when you know that there are 70-80 million women on the internet today, and Dabur really speaks to all of them, it made perfect sense to embrace it really fast.
One of the things that we have been learning with Google is the way consumers consume digital, especially the modern women of today, how they are consuming digital. And what we realize is that digital is a space where it's not about selling a concept or a product, it's about storytelling, it's about a two-way conversation. That's where the idea of Brave and Beautiful came from. What we realize is that beauty is not always what you see outside, but a lot of it is what is inside. We wanted to tell a compelling story to these modern women about a cancer survivor who, in spite of losing her hair, her beauty and having lots of aspirations, we wanted to tell her, you have fought cancer, you are brave inside, and that's what makes you beautiful. It's a 4-minute campaign, and actually it made us learn a lot, that if the content is good, it doesn't matter how long or how short it is.
When we finally made the video and uploaded it on Friday, we just put it up on YouTube and some other social media channels. And by Monday morning, it had gone viral. We had got around 3 million views already, all organic. People were talking about it, sharing. They said, it made me cry. It was an amazing experience. I mean, we couldn't believe it. And this is not advertising. This just takes the consumer engagement to a different level altogether. We did a brand lift survey with YouTube, and we found that there was an 11% increase in brand awareness for Vatika. We got 245% increase in ad recall.
For 30-40 years, we have been primed into using traditional media so much. But with Google, we started believing that even digital could be a very great space to be in. And once this has started happening, I think we'll be onto something big and better and, far more bolder on digital.
See, the vision which we see for ourselves in this digital journey is that Dabur should become the lighthouse for all the Indian brands on digital media.